Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I like the other one so well, the one I just did that I flicked the silicone on, that I decided to do a companion. I still have more paint, so I'm going to empty out these paints. I may even use the same cup that I used earlier, reuse it because I'm using those colors, so I might as well. I don't think it'll make a big boo-boo. So, I'm going to start layering. This is Phthalo Blue that has had Anita's white metallic added to it to turn it into a metallic, and then a little bit of DecoArt 24 karat gold. This is Anita's silver metallic. This is magenta that's had some Anita's white metallic added to it to turn it into a metallic, and I've added some 24 karat gold to it. This is Raw Sienna that has some white Anita's metallic added to it to turn it into a metallic, and then I put some 24 karat gold in it. So I'm just going to start layering, or not really layer, put it in there beside each other, whatever. These paints are a little bit thicker than you might normally mix up because I want to flick the silicone on them, and I don't want them to I don't want the cells to go gigantic on me. So the thicker the paint is, it seems to control the size of the cells a little bit. And this silver is so light, it's like a platinum color, which is beautiful. And I need 5 ounces because this is another 12 by 12 inch canvas. Okay, gonna do it like I did before. Top of the bubbles. I want it to look kind of spacey like I think that last one did. Okay. hate to waste that paint. Okay, cool. Oh, I like it. I would like this without the stuff on it, without the silicone on it, but I do like it with silicone too. Ooh, it's got that cool shadowy effect right in there. Probably got everything all out of whack here. Okay. I like this a lot. Okay. This treadmill silicone seems to be a little thicker than it was last time I remember using it. But so it doesn't seem to be wanting to drip off like I want it to. I don't want a whole bunch. I did get some of them. They're kind of right down in here, starting to come up. If you lean sideways, you can kind of see where it might be landing. I don't see very much. One here, one there, some of these. Gonna flick it from way up. Oh, I got a bunch of them right in here, but they're pretty spaced out, so that's good. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do. They're starting to appear. I love it when they start to appear. Now, I left the other painting down here in the basement for 30 minutes and it was cool down here. Not cold, but cool. And upstairs is warmer because I have my thermostat set really high. And then I took it upstairs, so I'm hoping that those up there, that one doesn't get any bigger. So I'm gonna leave this one down here and I'll come back in 30 minutes and give you all another close-up, but I'm gonna take it down now and show it to you. Take the camera down now and show it to you. And it's gonna continue, they're gonna continue to grow a little bit. So hang on a second. I really wish they wouldn't get much bigger. I kind of like them just the size they are. But we have some that are a color inside a color. These are cool. I love it when it does that. There's one that has gold in it, or that silver. And then these up here came out really cool. They're not too close together, so they may not get that wonky shape. These will, because these are too close. But I still think this is incredibly cool. Love that one. And those up in there. Oh, they look so good. Alrighty. So now I've got like two that are different, but same colors. So they're like companions. So I will time this, and in 30 minutes, I'll give you another close-up. So it's been about 28, 29 minutes, and this is what I have. You can see what size the cells are. I may leave it down here for a little bit longer instead of taking it upstairs, because I'm afraid if I take it up there, it's going to get, the cells are going to get bigger because it's warmer up there. So, some very cool looking cells. I love these down in here. Really love those, especially those right there. Oh my goodness, that's just so cool. These are cool. So, that's what I ended up with. Thank you for watching.